Good day, esteemed participant. It's a great honor for us to participate in the 2024 4th International Conference on Electrical Engineering. Honorable committee members and fellow attendants, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our research, titled Assessing Food Photoaesthetics Through Dominant Color and Color Harmony with Adaptive Smoothing Regularization. At this time, I would like to introduce myself and my co-author. I am Dwi Kalvita Saryonia and I'm joined by Dr. Sintami Kusnul Hidayati from Institut Teknologi 10 November. In today's digital marketplace, food photography plays a crucial role in consumer decision making. It's not just about showing what food looks like, but how appealing it can be made to look. Studies show that color and presentation significantly impact on how consumers perceive food, and this visual appeal can directly influence their purchase decision. Color has a powerful effect on emotion and appetite. By carefully selecting and enhancing color in food photo, we can make dishes appear more appetizing and healthier. This has become a key strategy for business and in the food factory. With advancement in deep learning, we can now automatically evaluate this visual feature. Our study focuses on improving this evaluation by combining dominant color, color harmony, and adaptive smoothing regularization. This integrating allows us to assess food photo more accurately, making the process both efficient and reliable for market. In previous work, various approaches has been explored for evaluating the aesthetic quality of food image. Zhang et al. Introduced the Gourmet Photo dataset and implement adaptive smoothing regularization, which improved deep learning models' ability to assess the aesthetic of food image. Gambetti and Han developed a CNN-based model focused on food image aesthetic, highlighting the use of texture and composition. Similarly, Zhang and Li analyzes deep feature for aesthetic assessment, focusing on color and composition as key factor. Finally, Xu et al. Explore cutting-edge technique in food photography, further emphasizing the importance of visual aesthetic. This study show promise, but there is still a need to enhance regularization technique and integrate more advanced feature extraction method to improve the performance and accuracy of aesthetic evaluation models. Although many existing models in food photography aesthetic analysis individual features like color or composition, there's a gap in combining this feature with advanced technique. Current research like an integrated approach that blends dominant color and color harmony with adaptive smoothing regularization. This limits the model's ability to accurately and sensitively assess complex visual elements, which is essentially increasing visual appealing for image. Our contribution lies in introducing a novel approach that integrated adaptive smoothing regularization with dominant color and color harmony feature. We tested it on several machine learning and deep learning models. The results show improved model sensitivity, particularly in recognizing aesthetically pleasing food image, leading to higher recall and advanced score compared to models that do not use this integrated approach. Our study used the Gourmet Photography dataset containing 24,000 labeled food images categorized aesthetically appealing and non-aesthetically appealing. The dataset includes diverse food types and conditions. We split in 19% for training and 10% for testing to ensure reliable model evaluation. This split helped optimize model performance and ensure reliable evaluation. On the slide, we present sample image from the dataset. The image on the left is labeled as non-aesthetic, while the image on the right is considered aesthetically appealing. Our methodology involves several key steps. First, we pre-process the image by resizing them and applying padding to maintain the original aspect ratio. Next, we extract two main visual features from the image, dominant color, using K-means clustering and color harmony, evaluate through the Moon-Spencer theory, which assess hue, value, and chroma. We then integrated with adaptive smoothing regularization into the models to prevent overfitting and improve the model's ability to generalize to the new image. We trained 6 different models, both with and without ASR, like SVM, Decision Tree, Random Forest, Multi-Layer Perceptron, VGG16, and Inception V3. Each model was tested for its performance in evaluating food photo aesthetic. And finally, we evaluate the model using standard metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to determine their effectiveness in identifying aesthetically pleasing image. In this slide, we illustrate the process of image padding. On the left, we have the original image, and on the right, the image after padding is applied. Padding is used to maintain the original aspect ratio of image when resizing them to a uniform dimension. The motivation behind padding is to prevent distortion or cropping of important parts of the image, ensuring that the key visual features remain intact for accurate analysis. And now let's briefly explain the two key visual features used in this study, dominant color and color harmony. For dominant color, we extract 6 dominant colors in the RGB configuration for its food image. These colors are red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, and magenta. This dominant color captures the most visually impactful elements of the image. Color harmony focuses on how well colors work together to create a pleasing visual effect. Common harmony techniques include complementary, which use opposite color on the color wheel for contrast, and analog, which combines a neighbor color for a more cohesive look. Other techniques include triadic, split complementary, and so on. Each method enhances the overall aesthetic and influences how the viewer perceives the image. This slide demonstrates the integration process of adaptive smoothing regularization into our model. The input image first goes through feature extraction, where visual features like dominant color and color harmony are identified. These features are then fed into the primary classification network, which predict whether the image is aesthetically pleasing or not. ASR is applied to an additional classification network which helps enhance the model generalization by preventing overfitting. The memory banks store representative features of aesthetic image, which are continuously updated using the dbScan algorithm. This ensures that the model adapts to the data by updating the key factor, making the system more flexible and robust in recognizing aesthetic qualities. Let's discuss the key results from our model comparison experiment. We tested multiple models using 3 feature sets: dominant color or DC, color harmony or CH, and combination of both features. Starting with the dominant color feature, the best performance came from Inception V3 plus AS model, which achieved an accuracy of 65%, a recall 74, and F1 score in 72. This indicates the models leveraging dominant color are quite effective at detecting aesthetically pleasing images, though precision could be slightly improved. For the color harmony feature, the models demonstrate a trait of both MLP plus SLR and Inception V3 plus ASR, achieving high rates in 99%, meaning they are highly sensitive in detecting harmonious image. However, the overall accuracy was lower in 54% with F1 score in 70%, which suggests that while the models are great at finding harmonious image, they may misclassify some non-harmonious image. Finally, when we combine dominant color and color harmony, the MLP plus ASR model performed the best with accuracy of 65% and F1 score in 68%. This indicates that integrating both features provides richer information for the models, improving their ability to assess food photo aesthetic. In conclusion, the Inception V3 plus ASR model using dominant color alone achieved the highest accuracy and F1 score, making it the most effective for detecting aesthetically pleasing food image. When color harmony was introduced, models like MLP plus ASR performed well in terms of recall, but the added complexity slightly reduced their sensitivity, as seen in its lower F1 score. Combining in dominant color and color harmony provide more balanced result, with MLP plus ASR showing a good overall performance. However, the dominant color feature alone proved more efficient for sensitivity, making Inception V3 plus ASR with dominant color the optimal choice. Future work could enhance the model by incorporating additional features like texture and shape, as well as advanced methods like generative adversarial network for better feature extraction and broader application in areas like graphic design and visual arts. I think that's all we can present in this session. I hope this is useful for us. And thank you very much.